There at the very end, Gravedigger takes a tumble, and now it will be up to you to decide. Now keep in mind, he already had one attempt, not two attempts. So, will it be El Toro Loco? Will it be Gravedigger? That will be up to you to decide here. And in just a moment, we'll find out the score to beat El Toro Loco 9.504. Your score for Gravedigger is a great score, 8.122. But Cleveland, you have spoke. It is El Toro Loco, Armando Cascio, your Master Jam 2 Skills Challenge winner.
Don't spend too much time. I'm glad.